Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the log bait and rigging it correctly. This is where success begins. Thread the bait through its center, secure with tight wraps, and trim excess so it sits level in the water. Once done, attach a sturdy line and pick a rod that lets you control action without overpowering the lure. Make your first cast towards structure or shoreline cover. Aim shallow at first to read how the bait swims and to set the pace for following retrieves. Once you have the bait in the water, focus on retrieve techniques to mimic natural movement. Mix short twitches with steady reeling, then pause to let the bait settle and provoke follows. Fast rips simulate a fleeing prey. Make sure to read surface cues and change cadence when fish are lethargic or aggressive. If you need depth, drop your rod tip, speed up the retrieve, or add minimal weight. These adjustments help you keep the bait in the strike zone longer and increase hookups. You finish by executing a decisive hook set when you feel weight or a distinct strike. Don't yank immediately on short taps. Let the fish fully engage first. If strikes are tentative, slow down, switch to smaller hooks, or soften the bait's action to entice finicky fish. Make sure to inspect your rig after each snag or heavy fight. Retie any weakened knots, sharpen or replace dull hooks, and repair or swap the log bait so you remain ready for the next cast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.